How's it going? Mike Love here at MarineMax Somers Point. Today I want to walk through our brand new Sailfish 276 DC. This is a 2023 model. First, just looking here at the hull, this is going to be that ice blue color, very popular for sailfish boats. Also, while we're out here looking at the hull, I wanted to tell you about the variable degree hull, stepped hull with Sailfish. So they're actually going to start at a 22 degree and go down to a 24 degree to get it even sharper at the point. To help cut through water, rise the boat up a little bit more, so you're riding higher up in the water column, better fuel efficiency, a much more comfortable ride when you're going through chop. So very, very popular with the Sailfish brand here. Stepping up onto the boat, first we can see here in the back, this boat is going to be powered by twin 200 Yamahas. This is going to have the digital electric steering on them as well. Stepping onto the boat, one thing to highlight too, very easy access to the battery compartment. First and last thing you're doing on a boat, so Sailfish, very smart, throws that in the back of the boat. Once on the boat, one of the first things you'll notice is tons of seating. So we have two flip down seats, bench seats, as well as a seat over here that faces aft. And you can see very easy to pop these seats up. And then makes a massive space for fishing. So you can have several people fishing out of the back of this boat. So whether you're entertaining your family or just going out fishing with the family, lots and lots of space for seating, as well as lots of space for fishing. Also here on the back, Sailfish has the sewable ski tow pylon. So for all your water sport needs, if you're not wanting to fish one day, you want to take the family out, maybe do some tubing, maybe do some skiing, you do have that pylon here. And that does drop flush. So when you're not using it, it stays nice and out of the way. Also here, you notice all the rod storage, 6 in the back, 2 more on the sides, 5 up top, 4 on the sides as well. So tons and tons of rod storage space for all your angling needs. Also notice fish box on the side, as well as this compartment here. It's going to be an insulated compartment, so you can use this as a cooler or as a second fish box. So lots of different options for storage. On the side of the boat here, you'll also notice we have the dive door. So whether you're bringing in that big 300-pound tuna or just helping the family on from the dock, very easy, nice and convenient option to have that door. Looking over here on the starboard side of the boat, we also have the galley pack. So this is going to have a wet bar, whether you want to clean your hands, clean up some fish. You're going to have the refrigerator, isothermal refrigerator here for beverages or anything else you want to keep cool on board, as well as a cooler space and a designated bottle storage space. And you'll notice too on the back of this is going to be cutting boards for each of these, so whether you're preparing fish or maybe preparing some lunch on board, you have that as well. The seat here on the port side of the boat is adjustable, so you can have this sitting upright and make 2 seats facing either way, or you can sew this back to make it a lounger, or even lay it all the way down to have an option to lie down completely flat. Also staying on the side of the boat here, we do have the head compartment. So if anybody does need to use the head, you'll notice Sailfish has a massive head, very deep sea deck on the flooring, so no one's going to be slipping if you're using it underway. Beautiful Corian countertop with the sink in there as well. And the gas assisted strut, of course, to hold that open. Looking here at the helm, we do have a very nice captain's seat, nice stitching on this. Pop-up, flip-up bolster, so whether you want to be standing or sitting, you find what's comfortable for you underway. Sailfish does have the retractable, or excuse me, the electronic captain seat. So you can see you can find that position that makes you most comfortable very easily. Also have the digital shift and throttle with the digital electric steering with Yamaha, as well as the joystick add-on. Okay. So maneuvering around the docks, be a piece of cake. We also will have the Fusion stereo system, Yamaha engine diagnostics, along with a 10-inch Garmin screen to have all of your maps, know where you are on the water, see your depth, all things like that. And of course a compass above to make sure your heading is correct. We also notice you have a windlass here, so easy access there if you want to drop the anchor or not. You don't have to go up to the front. Moving to the front of the boat here, Lots of seating for the bow. Something else to highlight with the Sailfish is the super high gunnels. So you may notice it in the back as well as at the front here. Highest gunnels in class, so when you're in the boat, you feel very much in the boat. You don't have to worry about kids or anyone else falling overboard. You're very secure, very comfortable. And even when you're sitting up here in the bow, you can see this comes up almost to my shoulders. So very comfortable, very high gunnels on that. You also have a couple options like the table that can be added in the front or mounted in the back. So you can make this an entertaining space or pop the cushions off if you want to use it as a casting platform for fishing. And windlass up here I mentioned before, through stem windlass is an optional piece on this boat. So very nice, convenient to have. But again, this is the 276 Sailfish dual console. I'd love to show it to you. Feel free to give us a call to schedule a viewing, or if there's any questions you might have at 609-926-0600. Thanks and see you soon.